This one comes from Joshua. And he says, here's my base. I'm new to Minecraft, so please don't hate. Oh, I'd love to take a look. Fucking trance is playing. Okay. I get what the deal is. Yep. All right. This would be so much better with like just a notepad, a window of notepad open, and he's just typing slowly. He's just like, hello, welcome to my Minecraft base. Thank you for, no, why is it a gnome? Why am I still getting gnomed in 2019, man? Oh. Oh, wow. Wow. And I thought it was going to be one of those, you know, ironic videos, but it's kind of funny, you know. And he blew it. He blew it. He blew it. I got gnomed in 2019. It happened again. It happened again. What are we feeling? G? Are we feeling a G, boys? G for gnome, G for gorsht, because that's what I got. Oh my God. I thought I was the one who's supposed to do the gorshin, but it looks like you just flipped it on its head. You boys flipped it on its head. I'm the one who gets gorsht tonight. I'm just the punching bag tonight. That's all I am, Joshua. S. Why is S the most highly rated one? I don't get it. I don't. I simply don't understand. B for Bobby Schmurda. What does that have to do with anything? What the fuck does Bobby Schmurda have to do with that? Fuck it. Fuck it. We'll do it. B for Bobby Schmurda. B for Bobby Schmurda. For real. For sure. Absolutely. 100%. I completely agree.